Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the fuel filter on a 1999 to 2007 Ford F250 Super Duty. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the fuel filter on this 2001 F250 Super Duty 7.3 liter diesel. Procedures will be similar on Ford trucks equipped with a 7.3 liter diesel, but be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Start by parking on a level surface and opening the hood. Use your 13mm socket and ratchet to remove the two 13mm nuts securing the engine cover. Remove the cover so you can access the fuel filter housing underneath. Next, you'll drain the fuel in the housing. The fuel filter drain tube can be accessed through the passenger side wheel well or under the truck behind the front passenger tire. Once the fuel has been drained and the pressure is relieved, loosen the fuel filter cap with a strap wrench or pliers by positioning the jaws in the notches of the cap. Remove the fuel filter cap and filter. The filter may drip excess fuel. Place the filter in a drip pan to avoid extra cleanup. Depending on the type of fuel filter that was previously installed, the fuel filter and cap might be in one piece or two pieces. If the cap is separate, be sure to save it in case you need it for the new filter. After the fuel has drained, close the drain lever, remove the hose, and fuel drain container. The new fuel filter should come with new O-rings, so make sure that they're included. Coat the smaller O-ring with diesel fuel. O-rings are exposed to high heat, and lubricating them can help keep them from sticking to the housing and make them easier to remove during the next filter change. Install the smaller O-ring on the plastic part of the filter. Coat the larger beveled O-ring with diesel fuel. Set it around the fuel filter housing. Install the new fuel filter into the housing and screw down the fuel filter cap. If the fuel filter and cap are one piece, keep the old cap in case you need it in the future. Finally, turn the key on for 30 seconds, but don't start the engine. This will prime and cycle the fuel pump. Check for any leaks. If you don't see any fuel leaking, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for leaks again, and once you're sure there aren't any, shut off the truck and close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.